Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has come back into the target area here. Now this was the expectation. Ideally would now be to make a new low in wave C. This is where I would accumulate. I already bought at 1250, so not necessarily interested personally to buy now. But to be fair, anybody who missed that one entry of course has another chance if you want to accumulate. I'm of course not telling you what to do. That is entirely up to you. But a few people were a bit annoyed that they might have missed a possible entry here, down there, yeah. And there you go, you know. It basically worked out so far in that we came down once more. I think we should now still go lower. That's my expectation, but bear in mind we've reached that green area again. This is sort of for wave 2 generally the area where I would expect us to reverse between 1280 and 1130 to move up in a wave 3. Again, that's still the expectation to reach here sort of the $3,000 level in that wave 3. But again, I already bought, so I'm just waiting here for one more dip. Ideally, sort of in the region between 1150 to 1200. So at the moment, if we really look at this in detail, there's two possibilities for me at the moment. Two probable possibilities. One possibility is that we're already in this fifth wave to the downside, as I said, yeah. In this fifth wave, then we have already done the wave A. We've done the wave B, which turned around exactly at the 1400 level, which was important resistance, and then we are now turning down in the wave C. Or, and again, it doesn't really make a great difference, or we have only seen here the wave 4, and we would start an ABC here. That could potentially push us down lower, and would be the more bearish outlook, because the whole wave 5 is still to come. My view at the moment is that wave 4 is already in, that's sort of the primary expectation, and we should come down now just in wave C, in a 5-wave move. So if we look at the internals here, we have been looking at wave C obviously as a 5-wave move. So we could say this is wave 1, 2, and now looking for wave 3 to finish, 4 and 5. And at the moment, if I look at the length of the wave 1, the retracement of wave 2, yeah, then I'm possibly looking here at 1190 as a key target for wave 3 in itself. Then there should be a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. So as long as we stay in this green area, it's fine. Even if we drop below that, then we could still drop to $1,000 without invalidating the higher level scenario. But if we go above if we go below the $1,000 level, then it might very well be, with a high probability actually, that we will also lose the $880 level, and we will come down to 650 in that region. Yeah. So I said to you, I can't guarantee you that any support is holding. This is never guaranteed. Waves always play out. The question is only, do I have the right wave count? You know, and that is where the analytics here come in, you know, and the subjectivity. But the point is, this could also be counted correctively to the upside, and we are in an impulse down. I talked about that before. That's why the $1,000 level is sort of my invalidation point, yeah. So in that we are coming down impulsively, that this was only a 1, this here 2, this here 3, there will be a 4 up and a 5 down. Possible, yeah. But the way this is coming down here at the moment looks correctively, okay? So I'm really just looking for one more dip here ideally. Will accumulate myself once more, together with some other coins, which I talked about before and on the Telegram channel. And then I will wait for that move to the upside. If not all my buy orders get filled, I'm not gonna panic. I'm just waiting for the first dip, here that wave 2, of the wave 3. So at the moment, it's all going according to plan. I think we're waiting now for wave 3 of C of 5 to finish. and then we take it from there. Okay, and if I see something else happening, for example, 1 second, if we, for example, break above the wave 2 high at 1340, then we might need to readjust here. But then again, I'm not gonna try to chase green candles. Again, strategy remains, I'm gonna wait for wave 2 dip. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.